This is the dog igloo. Roger, what are you doing in there? Huh? What are you doing? Are you in your dog igloo? Come on. Come out. Come. Roger, what's this? He likes it in there. Winnie, do you want to go in the dog igloo? What's he doing in there, huh? Come on out, Roger. Dog igloo, dog igloo, dog igloo, dog igloo. What are you doing, Roger? What are you doing? Are you in your dog igloo? Huh? Oh, where are you going? He's gonna go in there. Oh no! Oh no! Structural integrity! Oh no! Awesome. Surprise attack.